And look how clean and perfect she looks. Hey, this is Lorena and I wanted to do a tutorial for you on how to make perfect applique circles. Yeah, perfect. I mean, perfect. It's called Karen Buckley's Perfect Circles. I have this size, the large size. It comes with a set of these beautiful circles you want to make. This is the smaller range of circles. It has kind of like this. It even has the ability to make a tiny circle that big. I've never really tried this. This is my first time really trying them, and I was surprised to find out, wow, what the hell was I waiting for? When you buy stuff and then you just don't use it, yeah. And to work with these templates, and oh my gosh, my circles looked so pretty. So I'm only going to share with you what worked. See you in the doing. Bye. You're going to need its best press or any type of starch, whatever circle templates that you have. So I'm going to use both the large and the small. You're going to need Elmer's glue. And then you're going to need an iron of some kind. I love this one. It's hot. Random scrap fabric. What I love about applique is if you want to use your scrap fabric, this is a great way of using them. Stiletto tools, whatever kind you want. And then it's called a trolley needle thread controller. A large glue stick. You can put it on the fabric or on the circle. And then rotate material and just iron. It sets the fabric to the template. Bigger circles are easier to work with, and I wet the material. Then I get my piece of fabric and I just set one piece in. And then angle your piece towards yourself, like at a 45-degree angle, and then torque the iron. Then rotate your piece. Do you see how I'm pulling it? And torque in. Wet your material again. This is the area where you could get the puckers or those weird pleats. And then use your iron to go under. Do you see how I'm going under? Ouch. There you go, and you can control it that way. And that is a beautiful circle. What you can do is you can leave the template inside until you're ready to work with the pattern that you're doing. Or after you're done, you can pull it out. And lay it down and start working the edges. Just push, then use your iron to turn and torque. You don't want that kind of pleat right there. You want to re-wet that to look like this all the way around. So here I'm going to wet it. Then I'm going to wet this, iron this area and turn. Then I'm going to go back and iron this. See how it's pleating? And then I'm going to go and turn. Try to flatten that out. This is what you want, but see, when you did that, it kind of pleats there. And do you see how it's kind of bulky in the fabric there? So sometimes having too much of fabric causes that. That's what that looks like. So what I'm doing is I'm basting this, and then I'm turning the needle towards the iron. don't know if you can see my needle. Wet my fabric. Then I'm going to go under. See how I'm under the fabric? And I'm going to turn. Then I'm going to go under with my needle and then get the iron to turn while I stabilize the fabric with, and this is pulling away, but it's okay. And bring it this way. In any area where you see almost like it's poking out a little bit in the circular area, you just get your iron and just kind of push it and tuck it in. And there's your perfect circle. I love these things. So I hope you like this skill builder applique making perfect circles.